Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. The 2025 Mahindra Marazzo is here, and it brings a fresh blend of style, performance, and practicality to the MPV segment. Mahindra has worked on refining its popular MPV, ensuring it stays competitive in a market dominated by rivals like the Toyota Innova Crista, Kia Carens, and Maruti XL6. The latest Marazzo comes with an updated design, enhanced features, and improved performance, making it a strong contender for families and fleet operators looking for a reliable and premium multi-purpose vehicle. One of the most noticeable changes in the 2025 Mahindra Marazzo is its refreshed exterior. The MPV now sports a sleeker front grille, LED projector headlamps, and a more sculpted bumper that gives it a modern and aggressive stance. The aerodynamically designed body not only enhances its road presence but also contributes to better fuel efficiency. The alloy wheels get a new design, and the side profile maintains the signature shark-inspired aesthetics that Mahindra introduced with the earlier models. At the rear, LED taillights and a tweaked bumper design complete the updated look, making it one of the best-looking MPVs in its class. Step inside the cabin, and you will immediately notice the premium and spacious feel of the 2025 Marazzo. The updated dashboard features a larger touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, ensuring seamless smartphone connectivity. The instrument cluster has been refreshed with a digital mid, providing essential driving information in a crisp and clear format. The seats are now more comfortable, with better cushioning and premium upholstery, making long journeys more enjoyable. The Marazzo continues to offer a 3-row seating layout, available in both 7-seater and 8-seater configurations, catering to different customer needs. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Mahindra Marazzo continues to be powered by its tried and tested 1.5 litres diesel engine, now updated to meet the latest emission norms. This engine produces 122 PS of power and 300 Nm of torque, ensuring smooth and effortless cruising on highways while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency in city conditions. The biggest highlight in the 2025 model is the introduction of an automatic transmission, making it more convenient for urban drivers. The 6-speed manual transmission remains available for those who prefer a more engaging driving experience. Safety has been a key focus in the new Mahindra Marazzo. It now comes equipped with 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, ESP, hill start assist, rear parking sensors, and a 360-degree camera in higher variants. Mahindra has also reinforced the body structure to improve crash safety, making it one of the safest MPVs in its category. The car continues to ride on a ladder frame chassis, ensuring durability and stability, especially on rough Indian roads. Fuel efficiency remains impressive, with the manual variant offering around 18 km/L and the automatic delivering close to 17 km/L, making it a cost-effective choice for families and commercial users. Mahindra has also introduced new dual-tone color options and customization packages to enhance personalization. With an expected price range of a superscript 114 lakh to a superscript 119 lakh, ex-showroom, the 2025 Mahindra Marazzo offers a fantastic balance of space, comfort, safety, and performance. It remains a strong alternative to the Toyota Innova Crista for those looking for an affordable yet premium MPV. Whether you need a car for family road trips or a reliable vehicle for business, the new Marazzo is a well-rounded package that delivers on all fronts.